Hello and welcome to our channel. I hope that you're all doing well. This time, I thought to share with you a super hydrating and healthy drink. And of course, my choice of drink advised for those on a weight loss journey or for those of you on juice fasting as well. Adding this drink anytime during the day will instantly hydrate you and supply you with a good lot of energy too. So then, do check out the recipe and keep it saved to add it for your next weight loss or diet plans. This drink is very simple and is made with just two ingredients. The first of the ingredients are the strawberries. Though strawberries are low in calories, they are high in other nutritive contents. Apart from giving a good flavor to the drink, adding strawberries will enhance the total fiber content, which in turn helps to keep you full for a longer time and also prevents overeating. And so, it's a good fruit of choice for those on a weight loss journey. Now, coming to the second, but the main ingredient of this drink are the sweet melons, also known as honeydew melon. Though they are low in calories and less in fiber, but at the same time, they provide a lot of beta carotenes and potassium, and hence a good option to add for the weight loss plans. Apart from potassium, sweet melons are also known to be good sources of vitamins A and C. Melons are said to belong to the category of top 5 highest water containing fruits, which is why they are highly recommended in hydrating the body, especially when the body is fasting or on certain kinds of diet plans. Now, once the prep is done, simply take them to a blender jar and blend them smooth. Also, I prefer to make this drink fresh and have each time, and do not store in refrigerator or use the leftovers. I usually advise to have this drink 3 or 4 times weekly so as to get a good hydration and keep you fresh during the fasting or weight loss diet plans. But sometimes, too much of melons or regular consumption of melons can also induce gastric troubles like bloating, which is why I prefer to have this along with any other meal of the day like breakfast, brunch, or lunch. So, next time, include this in your meal plans and get to see the benefits. Also, be free to mail to us or put your comments below in case of any doubts or queries. You can also check out our channel for the weight loss playlist with lots of recipes and ideas for a healthy weight loss. With hopes to see you in our next video, I'm taking leave from you as of now.